Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a floating contact button on your Wix.com website. So start off from the Wix dashboard here and then click on the upper right hand side here to edit your site. It'll take you to here in the Wix website editor. From here, go on the left hand side here, add elements. On add elements, go to button. And if it's a contact, I imagine you'll have a mail icon like this. Just drag and drop that into here. Go to settings. On settings, click on this, choose a link. Go on which page, scroll down, go to contact page, click on done. Now, right click, click on this, pin to screen. Since we already have something pinned on the left hand side here, we're going to pin it on the left hand side. On the right hand side, there's something pinned, so on the left hand side here, click on this. This will pin on the left hand side. If you want to pin it on the top hand side, top right, top left, top middle, top right, but we're gonna go bottom left. Click on this, exit out. Now let's preview. On preview, as you can see, it sticks now to the screen. If we click on it, give it a second, it'll take you onto the contact screen just like this.